Hello friends, welcome to AlgoRepo. So today we are going to solve problem lead code 107 binary level order traversal 2. So it is easy level problem. So let's see what is the question. So basically you will be given one graph and you have to return its bottom up level order traversal. What it means? So this is my graph, right? So we have to return level order traversal in reverse order. So this is my level 0, this is level 1, and this is level 2. So in level 0 I have one node 3, that is 3, and in my level 1 I have two nodes, that is 9 and 20, and in level 2 I have two nodes 15 and 7. So if let's suppose this is my 2D vector, if this is my 2D vector, I have to reverse this, I have to reverse and return it. So after returning it will become like this. So earlier at level 0 I had 3, but now it went to level 2. In the same way, because we are only having 3 level, that is 0 1 2, because of that 2 is still here also the node is at level 1, here also it will be at level 1, and here it is level 3, so we will just change it to level 0. Basically we have just reverse this 2D vector, so it became like this, and we will just return this. So how we are going to solve? So we are going to solve using basically we can solve this using both BFS and DFS, but we are going to use DFS. We are going to use DFS to solve this. So what we'll do, we'll just maintain level, and so current my level is 0, so if it is, I'll see in my graph at level 0 what is there, 3. So I'll just, basically what I will do, I'll just traverse level order in simple way only, so I'll get normal way only, and after that I will store it in 2D vector, and after that I will, at the end I will just reverse, and then I will return this. So let's see, let's code now so that you will get more clarity. So let's start coding. So first of all I have to create one, because we have to return this 2D vector, so I have to create first one 2D vector, and let's give it the name result. So I have to check first if it is we have to check if root is null or what. If it is null, we have to just return this empty result, that is 2D vector, null vector. So after that what I will do, I'll just do depth for search. I will pass root this result, and currently my level is 0, so this is denoting my level, and after that I will just reverse my result vector, and at the end I will just return result array. And let's write for this DFS. So let's write, so for DFS also it will return void and we'll take first root. So this will be trinode, tree node type of node, that is pointer node root, and we'll also have this vector result. So we'll use reference of it and maintain level. So currently I am at level 0. So because this we are going to use recursion here, so we have to first write base condition. So what will be our base condition? So if root is equals to null, return. And one more condition is that, so every time let me first write it and after that I will explain you this thing. So le, so if whenever my level is equals to result, my 2D size, I'll just create is equals to I'll just create one vector of null size. So that is result dot push back one null, and after that I'll explain why I did this. So after that I will just reverse at level and push back what, root value here, and after that I will just DFS to root left and my result vector, and now my level will be increased +1, and in the same way I'll do for root right. So this is it. So why I wrote this? So this is the main backbone of this condition, backbone of this BFS. So see, right now I have just initialized vector size in I direction. So now I have to create in this direction, that is in J direction also vector. So for that, so right now I have just, we have vector, normal vector, 2D vector. So we have only normal 2D vector. So every time, so right now my level is 0, so and my result size is also 0 because we have no column, no row here. So is also 0, my row is also 0, so what I will do, I'll just initialize one, I'll just insert one row and it will be empty vector, value will be empty, and whenever after creating null I will just add. So this is my level 0, right? So level 0 I have just initialized null here, so empty. So after that at level 0 I will just add in here pushback root value. So let's suppose my root value is 3, so I will just add 3 here, and after that and also if I have more nodes at this value I'll just push it back, and whenever I come to next node, that is level 1, and again initialize one, and in this all the level 1 nodes will be inserted. So let's suppose 5, 6. In the same way, whenever I come to next node I will just initialize, I will just insert one null vector, and in that after that I will start inserting nodes. So because for that I am using I am just inserting null here, null vector here, null value. So this is it. So let's run the code and let's see if is it working or not. So let's run. So finished. So let's see, till here our result is showing right, and let's submit now. Accepted. So this is it guys, and if you like the video, please press the like button, and if you are new here, subscribe the button, and if you have any suggestions or you have any difficulty, you can do comment, and the solution of the code solution